Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming to you with another product that we're going to unbox here today. This is from CherryAmericas.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to the YouTube, hit that bell notification button. This is the new version of their MX Board 6.0. It's a pretty interesting keyboard where it's even got red illumination on it. We reviewed a number of Cherry keyboards. Be sure to search for those on the Chris Voss Show and you'll be able to see them. This has got an aluminum top housing, quick snap palm rest, bicolor status keys, Win key deactivation, 12 embedded functional keys, and red illumination. Now these guys make these ultra heavy duty rockin' sort of keyboards, if you will. They're one of the fastest keyboards around with the Cherry MX and Cherry high-speed recognition. It's got MX technology with the gold cross-point precision module for all keys, full N-key rollover. All keys are read simultaneously. It's got 100% anti-ghosting with no inputting errors. And it's got a red LED backlight with adjustable brightness dimmer that you can take and use for it. Bicolor status keys, a blue black light when activated. And it's got a rubber palm rest with magnetic connector, quick snap, and Win key deactivation. Win key deactivation, of course, is pretty nice. I don't know how many times I smack that key and it ends up screwing up a bunch of stuff. Just a hugely annoying thing. So this is going to be a keyboard that's just going to do really well for you when it comes down to it. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby here so you can see what you get inside the box. So we'll open up this way and you can see here what you're looking at when you unbox this baby. We've got this like a covered keyboard here. So there's that. We've got our wiring on it. We've got some tension notices. Looks like we've got the manual here. And inside we have the base that you can take and use. Oh, that's really nice. It's nice and wide. It's got a rubberized top to it, so it can look really good when it comes down to it. Looks like it hooks in there. It's got a little kind of steel hook, if you will, that will hook in there. Probably one of the sturdiest keyboard stands I've seen in a long time. It's going to set all this stuff aside. We'll keep the base. Let's go ahead and set aside this protector. These are always fairly heavy duty, because the units, these units themselves are heavy duty. Let's go ahead and set this aside, and let's see if we can't get into this baby. Take this off. Looks like I just pulled a key loose when I was grabbing this. So let's put that key back on there. There we go. And away we go. We'll just kind of pull away from the things there. So here is the keyboard. You can see it's a little heavy. It's definitely not a cheap keyboard. This is a keyboard that has designed for lots of really fast typing, professional typing. You don't want ghosting. So this is a keyboard that's definitely going to rock and roll for you and be very fast and effective. So let's see how these hook in together. They just, oh wow, that magnetizes. Okay, so you've got, it magnetizes from the front there, holds itself into place, and you can even see it hangs from the magnetic contact that it does. So it just pops into place. That makes it really nice. You don't have to sit there and fight it to get rid of it. Looks like it even adjusts a little bit depending upon how you have this thing set up. You do have stands on the back where you can take and plug these babies in and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at, well, it doesn't look like I have a place right. Oh, I can plug this in. Yeah, there we go. I'll just go ahead and plug this in so you can see the illumination of the keyboard and give you an idea of what we think about it. Of course, we'll test this baby out and all that good stuff. Just going to plug in over here. And hopefully that will be able to light up. You can see it's setting up the mechanical keyboard. Look at that baby. So yeah, it looks like that plug and play just nicely. And you can see here it's got the red lights behind it and blue lights behind certain keys. And it really, you can adjust that. Wow, that's pretty bright. Now you can dim this to how you want. And we'll get a chance to test this out. Yeah, really heavy duty, really high quality keyboards that you're going to get from cherryamericas.com. What we're going to do is finish testing this baby out, come back and tell you what we really think. So we've gotten a chance to test this out. Wow, this is a heavy duty keyboard, really designed for a lot of punishment, actually industrial type use. And of course, it's well lit as well. Definitely just a rock and roll keyboard. Highly recommend it. Be sure to go to the website at cherryamericas.com and check out the Cherry MX 6.0 keyboard. Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way, gotta find out what's in the box.